Before we jump into today's recipe, let's talk about why this simple combo, carrots and eggs, creates such a powerful boost for your health. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, the antioxidant that your body turns into vitamin A. It helps keep your eyes sharp, supports your immune system, and gives your skin that healthy glow. They also bring fiber, which supports digestion and helps you feel full and energized.
Eggs, on the other hand, are one of nature's best nutrient packages. They're rich in high-quality protein that keeps your muscles strong, vitamin B12 for brain and nerve health, and choline, a nutrient many adults don't get enough of, great for memory and metabolism. They also contain healthy fats, which help your body absorb the beta-carotene from carrots even better. So when you pair carrots and eggs together, you get a perfect combination: antioxidants plus healthy fats, protein plus fiber, and a balance of vitamins that support your eyes, your energy, and your overall wellness. And the best part? You can enjoy all these benefits in a delicious, crispy, comforting dish. So let's get started. Follow me into the kitchen and let's make these amazing fried carrot and egg dumplings.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, click the subscription button, and leave your comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a yummy day!